As soon as the flame has been applied to the fitting, hold the solder against the joint and keep it there. As soon as the copper pipe and fitting reach the correct temperature, the solder will melt and flow into the joint. This technique will also prevent the possibility of waiting too long and applying the solder to an overheated joint.
I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.